Hey Byrne Jones Construction, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I happened to be doing some research in your area and I came across your website and figured I'd shoot you a short video for you guys going over 3 things that you all can start doing today to start beating your competitors online. So by the end of this video, if you like what you hear or would like to know how Midtown Marketing can help grow your business online, give me a call and we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul, because you can take the tips in this video and you can use these for yourself. All I ask is for some feedback on this. So let's go ahead and get started. The 3 things that I'm going to be going over today are content, citations, and backlinks, and the first one being content. And so that applies to your website here, and that's everything that you can visually see and read, and it also includes your photos. And the reason that it includes all of the photos that you have is because Google has the capability of seeing what is behind these photos. All that means is, what were they saved as before they were uploaded? And so Google wants to see that you are providing value to your readers, as well as seeing what keywords are on your site, because they want to make sure that they connect the correct people to your future customers when they are searching in that Google search bar there. A good rule of thumb would be to have at least 1,500 words on your homepage to be considered an authority with Google. And then one example of a keyword would be concrete companies in St. Louis. Keywords are anything that your future customers are typing into this Google search bar here. And so the first thing that populates are ads. And ads can be a great tool to increase business there. But if we scroll down, this is what's called the Google Map Pack section. 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here. And you want to be ranking in the top 3 for each of your keywords, because the top 3 get a lot of that 30 to 40% of business. The way that you outrank your competitors here would be to have a Google business profile. And after a quick search here, I can see that you do have a Google business profile. So that is great. The next step would be to have it completely optimized. And so there's a lot of things that come into play with completely optimizing it. One thing, you guys are doing a great job with 5-star reviews. You would want to keep that up. And then just making sure everything is completely and accurately filled out. And then this is where those citations come into play. All a citation is, it's your business name, the address, and the phone number exactly as it is on this profile in your local directories. And so examples of local directories can be Yelp, Facebook, and so you'd want to make sure that your business name, address, and phone number, or NAP for short, are in those local directories and that there are more than your competitors. So a good rule of thumb would be to find out what each of these competitors has for themselves, go get these for yourself, and then you want to outdo them. So you would go get more than they have. And then you can have your share of that 30 to 40% of business from this section here. And if we scroll down, this is the start of what's called the organic listing. The remaining 60 to 70% of business goes into the organic listing. And this is where your website would be ranking. Here we are at the bottom of that first page here. Over 90% of people will stay on this first page, so it is vital for you to have your website ranking on the first page results of the Google search so that you can get your share of that 60 to 70% of business. And something that we can do that's pretty cool is we can take your website address and put it in a tool called Ahrefs. So we can take a look at ratings that are pulled from Google data. The UR and the DR is the trustworthiness and the authority of your website. You have 32 and 16. And what makes up your ratings here are the 930 backlinks that you have. And these backlinks come from 158 referring domains. So the backlink, this is the last thing that I wanted to touch on today. Backlinks are one website linking to another, like a shout out. And it's important to note that not all backlinks are the same. There are high quality backlinks that will boost the UR and the DR, and there are spammy ones that will bring these numbers down. And so what you want to do is you want to have your ratings higher than your competitors so that you are showing up at the top of that Google search result. But something that goes hand in hand with these ratings here are keywords. You all have 2,000 keywords on your site, and it's important to be ranking for what you would actually want to be found for. And so you want to make sure that those buyer intent keywords are on your site so that you're populating to the top of that Google search. The reason that I recommend buyer intent is because you want to have quality and qualified leads from the beginning. And so having those on your site, you can have those quality leads calling you and reaching out. And so we can do the same exact thing for all of your competitors. So the #1 ranking competitor for the concrete companies in St. Louis was Shamrock Concrete. I plugged in their URL here. They have 24 and 25. What's making up their ratings here are the 368 backlinks that they have. These backlinks are coming from 98 referring domains, and they have 728 keywords on their site. And so this is the #1 company that you would want to beat for that specific keyword there. The way that you would do that is you would get those high quality backlinks so that you're boosting up your UR and your DR. And then you would also make sure that you have those buyer intent keywords on your site so that you're ranking for those. Something we can do is we can take a look at all of the backlinks that all of your competitors have, and then we can link those high quality backlinks to your site, because if it is working for them to rank, it would work for you. And we can do extensive research on all of the keywords as well. We can take a look at what your competitors are ranking for, and we can do a separate search as well to find out what they are missing. And then that way you can be boosted to the top of the Google search result for all of those keywords that apply to you, because the more eyes that are on your site, the more people that would be converting to your customers there. And I hope that this short video was valuable for you. I look forward to hearing your feedback, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch. Thanks.